Welcome to my channel Next Hustle.
Affiliate marketing is one of the most powerful ways to make money online, and the best part is, you don't need a product of your own. You don't need a warehouse, you don't need employees, and you don't even need a big investment to get started. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through my complete blueprint for affiliate marketing, step by step, beginner friendly, and designed for 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly what affiliate marketing is, how it works, how to choose the right niche, how to find the best affiliate programs, and how to actually start making money with it. This is the beginner's guide to affiliate marketing, my full blueprint. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a simple but powerful business model. At its core, it means you promote someone else's product or service, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Think of it as being a middleman, or in today's terms, a connector. Companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and even brands like Nike or Apple have affiliate programs. Instead of spending billions on advertising, they let people like you and me promote their products, and in return, they give us a cut of the sales. So let's say you join Amazon's affiliate program. You recommend a product, a camera, a laptop, or even kitchen appliances. Someone clicks your link, makes a purchase, and boom, you get paid. The beauty of it? You don't handle shipping, customer service, or returns. Your job is simply to drive people to the product. Why affiliate marketing works in 2025? Now you might be wondering, why is affiliate marketing such a big deal in 2025? The answer is simple: more people are shopping online than ever before. E-commerce keeps growing, and influencers, bloggers, YouTubers, and even small website owners are cashing in. The digital world is filled with content, blogs, videos, podcasts, TikToks, Instagram Reels, and all of it can be monetized with affiliate links. People trust recommendations from individuals more than traditional ads. When you recommend a product authentically, your audience is more likely to buy it than if they saw a random advertisement. And here's the exciting part: affiliate marketing isn't limited to physical products anymore. You can promote software, online courses, web hosting, apps, memberships, and digital services that often pay higher commissions than physical products. That means more money for you with the same effort. How affiliate marketing works, step by step. Let's break this down step by step so you have a clear picture. Choose a niche. This is the area or topic you'll focus on, like fitness, travel, finance, or technology. Find affiliate programs. Join networks or companies offering affiliate links in your niche. Create content. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, TikTok page, Instagram account, or even an email list. Add your affiliate links. Insert links into your content so when people click and buy, you earn a commission. Drive traffic. Promote your content through SEO, social media, or paid ads. Get paid. Once sales happen through your links, commissions show up in your account. That's it, it's really that simple. But while the steps are straightforward, the execution is where most beginners struggle. So let's dig deeper into the blueprint I recommend. Choosing the right niche. Picking the right niche is one of the most important decisions you'll make. Think of it as choosing your business field. A niche should ideally have three things: passion, demand, and profit potential. Passion. If you're not interested in the niche, you'll burn out quickly. Demand. Are people searching for information or products in this space? Tools like Google Trends or Keyword Planner can help you check. Profit potential. Can you make money here? Some niches pay higher commissions than others. For example, fitness is a huge niche, but instead of just fitness, you could narrow it down to home workouts for busy moms, or fitness tech like smartwatches. The more specific you are, the easier it is to stand out. Finding affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, you need products to promote. This is where affiliate programs come in. There are two main ways to find them. Affiliate networks, sites like ShareAsale, CJ Affiliate, Rakuten, and ClickBank host thousands of products you can promote. Direct programs. Many companies run their own affiliate programs. For example, Amazon Associates, Bluehost for web hosting, and Nike all have direct affiliate programs. When picking products, consider commission rates. Amazon pays a smaller percentage, but people trust it and buy easily. On the other hand, software companies like web hosting platforms often pay $50 to $100 per sign-up. That means you need fewer sales to make a good income. Building a platform. This is where many beginners ask, do I need a website? The answer is no, you don't have to, but it helps. Let me break it down. Blog, website, great for long-term growth with SEO. You write articles like, Top 10 Fitness Gadgets in 2025, include affiliate links, and earn passive income. YouTube channel, perfect for reviews, tutorials, and guides. Video builds trust quickly, and affiliate links can be placed in the description. Social media, TikTok, Instagram, and even Pinterest are powerful platforms. Short, engaging content can drive massive traffic to your links. Email list, one of the most profitable methods. You collect emails, build a relationship, and send affiliate recommendations directly. The key is to choose one platform to start with. Don't try to do everything at once. Creating content that sells. Affiliate marketing thrives on content. People don't want to be sold to, they want to be informed, entertained, and guided. So your content should do three things: educate, inspire, and recommend. Here are content ideas that work really well. Product reviews. Is the smartwatch worth it in 2025? Comparison posts. Chase Sapphire vs Amex Gold. Which travel card wins? How-to guides. How to start a keto diet on a budget. Top lists. Top 5 budget travel apps in 2025. The trick is to give value first. If people trust your content, they'll trust your recommendations. Driving traffic. Even the best content is useless without traffic. There are two main types: organic traffic, free traffic from Google, YouTube, TikTok, or social media. It takes time, but it compounds. A single blog post or video can bring in income for years. Paid traffic, ads on Google, Facebook, or Instagram. Faster results, but requires budget and testing. For beginners, I recommend focusing on organic first. SEO, YouTube videos, or TikTok content can build a long-term foundation without breaking the bank. Conversions and AMP. Making money getting clicks isn't enough, you need people to buy. That's where conversions come in. Here are tips to increase conversions. Always disclose your affiliate links, people appreciate honesty. Use clear calls to action like, click the link in the description to grab yours. Build trust by sharing personal experiences with the product. Offer bonuses if people buy through your link, like a free guide or checklist. Remember, affiliate marketing is a trust game. People buy from those they trust. Common mistakes beginners make. Let's quickly cover mistakes to avoid chasing too many niches at once. Focus on one area first. Spamming links everywhere. Build real content and trust instead of just dropping links. Expecting overnight success. Affiliate marketing takes time to build momentum. Not tracking results. Always monitor which links and content perform best. Scaling your affiliate business. Once you've made your first sales, it's time to scale. You can create more content consistently. Expand to new platforms, like adding YouTube if you started with a blog. Build an email list to sell repeatedly. Invest in paid ads to speed up growth. Affiliate marketing is like a snowball. It starts small, but once it rolls, it can turn into something massive.
Thanks for watching video, subscribe channel, like, share with friends.